today I'm doing a Q&A and get ready with me. As you can see, I'm in a dress and my hair is curled because I have cheer awards, so I'm gonna get ready for that and I want to do a Q&A. A few of my friends have done these recently and I've been wanting to do an updated one because I haven't done one since I started my channel, like, I don't know, a really long time ago. So I thought I would do one. So I have my iPad with all the questions on it and I'm, of course, running behind. So we're gonna get started right now. If you're new, my name is Tori. I like making YouTube videos, especially makeup related. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. I'm going to start answering questions because there's actually kind of a lot of them. So I didn't ask them for specific questions. I just said, hey, ask me questions. And they were like, hey, okay. So the first question is, how am I so confident? To be honest, I'm really not that confident, like, at all. It's really hard to be confident, especially being a teenage girl with anxiety. But, like, I'm pretty sure she's referring to, like, makeup and, like, what you wear and stuff. But you just kind of have to find, like, what you enjoy. And, like, if you enjoy wearing makeup or, like, a certain fashion style or anything like that, you just have to, like, go for it, because honestly, people don't care. Like, I told you guys in my school, like, week wearing eyeshadow video that people really don't care, like, if you wear makeup. Like, they just don't care. And you honestly get a lot of compliments on it. So I don't know, I just say to go for it and, like, do what you love. Like, don't let people bring you down. And if you want to wear a full face of makeup and a full beat, like, go for it. And don't worry about what other people have to say, because their opinion is irrelevant. Okay, so the next question is, what is your opinion on Morphe brushes? I love Morphe a lot. Most of the things I'm asking for Christmas are from Morphe because I like Morphe so much. So I completely recommend them. They are really good for the price. They're not expensive and they just have some really, really good products. So I really recommend Morphe. I love them. Next is, what's your favorite makeup brand? I don't have one specific brand, but, like, a couple of my top brands in general are Morphe, BH Cosmetics, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I like Maybelline. How old do you think you should be to start wearing makeup? I don't think there's a specific age you have to be. Like, there's not, like, a law that says, oh, you have to be, like, 13 or older. Oh, you have to be 50 or older. Like, there's not a specific age. But I feel like people nowadays put into your mind that we're not allowed to enjoy certain things based on age, and honestly, I think that's a bunch of BS. Like, your age should have nothing to do with what you enjoy. Like, if you like makeup or you like McDonald's or anything, it doesn't matter how old you are. Like, if you like it, just go for it. So I quickly have a question for you guys. I want to know your thoughts on the new Ariana Grande song. I love Ariana Grande. I finally got her No Tears Left to Cry hoodie in the mail today. And I want her, like, white one with the album cover on it super bad. So after I get my job, I'm ordering that for sure. Just because I love it so much and I love her so much. So what are your opinions on Thank You Next? I love it. Like, it's so good. I love how she mentions her ex's names in it, and she's not, like, disrespecting any of them either. She does it in a very, like, mature manner, and I don't know, I love that song. Okay, the next question is, why are you so beautiful? First of all, I'm definitely not, but second of all, thank you. That's super sweet, and I love you. You know who you are. Why do you hate me? Boo boo, it's because, like, you're just such a pain in the ass, and, you know, you just, like, are so annoying. Just kidding, I love you so much. That's my best friend. He commented that, so I don't hate you at all. You know that. I love you. Okay, so the next question is, if you could change one thing from your past, what it would be? What would it be? Honestly, I don't know. I guess I would change my thing about caring what other people think all the time, and I would have just gone for what I wanted and not cared what other people thought. I guess I would also change the fact of ever going to school. Whoever made that decision for me, aka my parents, you hate me for real, because school is the worst thing ever. I literally hate school so much. Okay, the next question is, what's your favorite thing to do? I really like reading, listening to music, makeup, obviously, and eating food. Food is amazing. One of the greatest things ever invented. What do you want to do as a career? I, for the longest time, wanted to be a teacher, but I don't want to be that anymore. And then I wanted to be a vet tech. Also don't want to be that anymore. I want to do cosmetology. That's what I'm good at. That's what I enjoy the most. I've loved it for a really long time, and I don't think that anything is gonna change how I feel about makeup. No one is gonna change how I feel, or how passionate I am, or the fact that I know I actually do have talent when it comes to doing makeup. The only thing I really am good at is makeup. How doing? I'm doing okay-ish, I guess. I could be better, I could be worse. I'm alive somehow, sort of, a little bit, so you could say I'm okay, I guess. Next question is, do you want to get close with me? Yes, honey, I want to get close with you. I've been trying to get close with you. We're gonna keep working at it, keep trying to communicate. Next question is an interesting question because it's asking about my mans. This babe asked, how did you and your boyfriend meet / start dating? So I'm planning on doing a video with him eventually, probably after we've been together for 6 months, so by March of this coming year. Maybe it'll be February, sometime around there. I'm gonna do a video with him. But so I didn't know who he was at all before we started talking. I guess I'd heard of him once or twice because someone in my grade had a crush on him, and I never really knew who he was though. I literally had no idea. And then I guess the first time I ever met him was in study hall last year. I had study hall 8th period, and it was the second to last week of school. So he was in there because he was hurt and he couldn't do some class or something, I don't know. But that's the first time I saw him. And then me and my friend were hanging out that day, and he lives close to her. You've seen Callie on my channel before in a vlog. So she was like, oh, I'll just take you home, because he didn't really feel like riding the bus, because a hassle for you to get on the bus when you have crutches. And I guess that's the first time I ever met him. But we started dating by this past summer in the middle of June. I put on my Snapchat slide up for a TBH, and so he slid up and I gave him one, and I was just like, hey, I don't really know you, but you're kind of cute, and I don't know, I was just like, you're kind of funny or something like that, I don't really know. And then we just started talking, having a normal person conversation. And I didn't like him at first, the first 2 or 3 weeks that we were texting. We were just friends. He kept trying to finesse, and I was just like, I just kind of got out of talking to someone, and it ended really bad, and I had really bad trust issues. And I was just like, yeah, I'm just not into that. So then we hung out a few times, and we'd been talking for like 2 months, and he asked me out, and I said yes. Our 3-month is coming up very soon, so yeah, that is how we met and how we started dating. The next question is, what's your favorite palette? My favorite palette is probably the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, or the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I use those both all the time, and I've liked them since I bought them. What brand of brushes do you use? I use mainly Morphe brushes. I have some like random ones that I get in like Ipsy's that I literally don't even know the brand. Like this one, I have no idea what this brand is. I like Real Techniques. I have a couple like ColourPop and stuff like that, but I recommend Morphe. The next question is, what is your favorite thing about high school? I said this earlier, I literally hate high school. Like literally high school sucks so much. So I don't really like anything about high school. Like there's nothing good about it. People are drama, and I don't know. I just recommend staying to a very tight friend group and do not trust people. Like you cannot go around talking crap or stating your opinion on like anything without drama starting. So if anyone needs advice, definitely just like keep it to yourself. That's what I do. I don't really talk to anyone at my school for the most part. Like I just kind of keep to myself a lot, and somehow I still get brought into drama, and I'm just like, honey, like I don't want this. Like I'm not asking for this. Okay, so I read that question wrong, and it says, what's your least favorite thing about high school? Whoops. But yeah, like I said, my least favorite, like I hate drama. I hate how people try and create drama. And also, there's so many tests all the time. Like literally I have 2 tests tomorrow, and I haven't even studied for them yet because I have this awards banquet in some amount of time. And they're just like, yeah, tests are all the time, so I hate having tests all the time, and I hate the drama. Who is your biggest influencer and inspiration? I'm not sure what like my biggest influencer is supposed to mean. I guess like I'm just gonna say like some of my favorite YouTubers because they're influencers, and then I'll say who my inspiration is. I really like Rachel Kintu. You guys know that. I also love Ariana Grande. Like I know she doesn't do YouTube videos, but she's definitely an inspiration / an influencer. I love her so much. I really like Jaclyn Hill, and I guess my inspiration would be like Rachel Kintu or Ariana Grande, or I guess even Jaclyn Hill. Like Jaclyn Hill is a huge YouTuber, and like she's come a very far way since she first started. And like I want my own business, like my own makeup line, and I want to have 5 million subscribers one day, and I want like people to ask me to do collabs with them and stuff. Like those are all things that I really want, and I hope one day I'm good enough for that. Okay, the very last question is, how did you get into makeup? I've always been into makeup, but in like 4th grade I found YouTube, and I used to watch people like Bethany Moda and Laura DIY and like Nikki and Gabby and Alicia Marie and people like that, and none of them like really or big into makeup. They all did more like comedy and lifestyle, but that's kind of how I found makeup, I guess, was because like I found YouTube, and then after like growing up a little bit, I found the beauty community, and like Jaclyn Hill was one of the first beauty gurus I ever watched, and I just fell in love. This is the final look. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, just I guess because I want to, and then we'll be all done. Okay, so like I said, my hair's been straightened all week, so it's like super like soft and stuff, so I just curled it and like did super loose soft curls, and I love them. And then this is my sister's sweater dress. I have no idea where she got it, but this is honestly probably something you can get at like any boutique or Forever 21 even, or something like that. And then obviously you guys watched me do my makeup. It's just like burgundy, super fall appropriate. And then I'm going to wear my nude wedges that I have. So that's my outfit. Okay guys, that is the finished video. I hope you all enjoyed. I had a lot of fun doing this video. I really like the way my makeup came out. My highlight is very blinding with being so close to these lights, and my hair looks very blonde right now. Wow. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I love you all so much, and I will see you babies next time. Bye guys.
Say,